Hey guys, it's Robert over at Showtime Audio. Just wanted to show you guys what we did on this 06 BMW 550i. This is the factory radio. It's kind of set back in a hood. It's got, you know, an okay sized screen, but what we did was we added this screen to it, which gives you more of a modern BMW. It's a bigger screen. It kind of pops out of the dash. A lot like what you'd see in later years in a BMW. This has CarPlay and all the modern conveniences of CarPlay. You could wireless CarPlay, you don't have to be wired in. And what these systems do, it gives you this Android interface, but it's layered over the factory interface. So when you hit a button, you can actually go back to your factory settings, and this is just how the car arrived with the entertainment system and navigation. Everything is still there, like the car originally had, but now you have the option of switching over to your Android version and having CarPlay and all the nice modern stuff. It also has the ability to wire up a camera. This car didn't have a backup camera, but you could easily run one to this and it would be able to run the new backup camera. And that's about it. So you get nice modern convenience, a more modern looking BMW. It looks like it came with this car, but it's just a newer version of what BMW has.